A very good afternoon and a warm welcome to what will be one of two cars in the next coming few days to be pictured and videoed by us here. This one is a 2019 on a 69 plate Audi A4 2-litre turbo Avant. In other words, it's an estate car, very rare car, black edition, which makes it rather special, and it has got the technology pack, which is the satellite navigation and media implemented onto the dashboard in front of you, into the binnacle, into the cockpit if you like. It's finished in solid white, Ibis white. She's a wonderful example. She was traded into as part exchanged a few weeks back for our Audi S3, owned by John from Lancashire. Nice chap, and his father came down. You'll probably see them taking the S3 on Facebook. There's some pictures of them with this car next to them. So they traded this in and went off up north in the 73 plate S3, which I'm still getting calls on today. It was that popular. So John, you did very well to get down here before about another 20 people. So I could do with another Navara blue S3. If anyone has one and they're watching this video, I may well buy it off you, because I've got about a dozen people wanting to buy one in a Navara blue. So if you have a Navara blue S3 round about 2273 plate, let us know. But anyway, let's get back to the video. So the car has been checked by Audi that there are no campaigns outstanding. We do that to every vehicle, so you can buy it with confidence. It will be MOT'd in the next few days, maybe a week or so. So it will have a fresh MOT. It expires in December, so we will renew that. It's not due a service. We have all the service data, all the prints and receipts from John having it serviced by an Audi specialist, and we will just check with the DSG gearbox and just see if that needs changing, the oil that is. So if it does need changing, we'll be buying the oil from Audi and changing the oil for you, for the new owner. That will be before well, that will be at the same time as the MOT actually, and the PDI. Let's take you into the car and show you just how clean and beautiful this car is. It's absolutely gorgeous. Gloss black grille and inserts there with the black edition. There's the odd stone chip. The worst of the stone chips are these two here. Just those two. I've been using the Audi paint. Peter has machine polished the car and put a ceramic top coat on it, so absolutely gleams. Tim's been yesterday, and he's been again today actually, but he was here yesterday on the interior, and which we're grateful for. And it's a real team effort actually. We've got Peter, Tim and myself, and Neil when he's better. We wish Neil all the best to recover from his minor operation. We should hopefully see him this year, because he is an integral part of the team actually. A very nice chap. Those of you that have met Neil will know that. So let's hope he comes back and starts picking up and dropping off and helping me with the final detailing of the cars, because it's hard work. It's not easy to get a car, although it's a clean car to start with in this condition, it really isn't. It takes about 4 hours to wash the car down first of all, and then Peter spends probably on this car about 10 hours on the bodywork, and that includes all the high gloss black detailing that you see going around the car, being polished by tiny polishing machines. Absolute work of art. It can sit 5 people comfortably, and you can set the temperature in the rear of the vehicle. Just, I don't know if you can just see it just in the center there. There's a display there to set the temperature different to the front. A very nice car. Black edition wheels, rear privacy glass, electric tailgate and a reverse camera as well. And that's part of the technology pack actually, the camera. So if we just press watch the tailgate rising. I don't know if you can remember from days, well, the 90s, when BMW had the 3 Series. They did retracting partial shelf, which this retracts as you close, so it covers the boot space. But it's a huge, I'm sorry about the glare off the light, but huge boot space and you can quite easily, just by doing that, bring the seat down. I have got a picture of the seat in the down position, so have a look at that on the montage of images. There's about 45 images, I think. But it's important to say to you that we do not edit images or videos. So the video that you're watching here is the actual video I am making. So as I'm talking to you, there is no editing. It's one take, and it's the same with all the photographs. There are one take. We do not Photoshop them, and we do not edit the video. We first delivered cars in 2011, and since then, which is what, 13 years, we haven't ever taken a car back. So every single car that's been delivered, some of them have been delivered, or the majority have been delivered without people seeing them, and we've never ever had to take one back, so that's quite a record. We are Auto Traders, one of 1% of dealers who have won the Customer Service Award, voted for by our customers through their reviews every single year since Auto Trader first started it in 2018. Less than 1% of their customers, trade customers, have won that, have gained that every single year. We are in that 1%, so we are very, very humble. So thank you from our bottom of our hearts to all our customers and clients that have taken time to write a review on their experience. So inside the car, there's so much to tell you about. Let's just hop in and give you a couple of minutes on some of the main features. Well, first of all, you have a good powerful headlight system, which is automatic. I have set it in the auto mode at the moment. There's the technology dash. It's a really nice dashboard. You can alter the size of the clocks and displays just by pressing on the button there on the steering wheel. It's voice activated. It has got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, although it is cable operated. Now I've just grabbed a cable from the office, but I have a short cable in my Mini, much shorter than that, so you could just use a short cable, I suppose. Gearbox, 7-speed, sport modes. You have a USB port, which I've got now connected there, but in the armrest area you do have a USB-C, which is a slightly more modern port, I believe. Does this adjust? And you have a nice armrest. Lovely. Leather and Alcantara seats, very nice, and the S-Line, again pretty much S-Line Black Edition standard fare. Heated seats front anyway, front heated seats just there, and you've got climate control, and you can sync it, which I have at the moment, to read both the same for the front driver and passenger. Steering wheel's fully adjustable and fully multi-functional. You have cruise control, and you have a speed limiter. Yes, speed limiter and cruise control, and also electric and heated folding wing mirrors. Let's just fold them in for you. You can see those folded in nicely. You automatically fold in when you close a door, when you lock the door, sorry. It's 42,600 miles, by the way, 42,600 miles. So also with this car you get the Tiptronic controls, downshift and upshift there, so I think it's approaching 200 brake horse. So it's either just over 200 or it is very close to it. So we've put, as normal, we put a fantastic, we believe a fantastic selection of images, so please do take a few moments to have a look through them. So yeah, very nice car. Plenty of room in the rear for 3 adults. So you could put a roof carrying system on the car. It's got the rails on it anyway, but you could certainly add to those rails a carrying box, couldn't you? You could put a box on there. I'll just bring this back seat down, because I did just pull the lever, didn't I? So there's the seat, and you can have the whole lot down, or you can just have a ski hatch, because the centre armrest I think just opens up on its own as well. It's Isofix if you've got grandchildren or children, so a good utility vehicle while still looking for the dads and the car enthusiasts. I suppose you could have that car and thinking you're in a more of a performance car, because it looks absolutely stunning, doesn't it? Absolutely stunning. So that's our 2019 on a 69 plate Audi A4 Black Edition, automatic 7-speed with full service history, just over 42,600 miles. Will be available from Cheshire Cars in Crewe in Cheshire. Part exchange, car finance are available, so too home delivery. Home delivery is charged at £1.50 per mile. So if it's 200 miles round trip, it's 200 times £1.50. And we've been in business for 28.5 years, soon to be 29 years. So we have an enviable reputation for good and straightforward and honest car dealing. And all our reviews are available on Google, Facebook and Auto Trader. So please do take a read through some of them, or indeed if you want to read over 200, then read them all, but by all means take a look at them. I'm David Bilsborough, and I'll be pleased to talk to you about this gorgeous Ibis white A4 Avant estate car, looking absolutely superb.